Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, and for today's video we are going to be learning how to line our lips. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to take off what I currently have on right now and start from scratch. I'm going to use my mirror because I'm blind as okay. So let's take this off. Okay, so that is off. Usually when I'm doing like my makeup, I will take off the foundation that's on my mouth because I don't want it on there at all. I want to have like a clear base for when I do my lip liner. I actually pat dried my lips because I want them to be like completely dry, like no moisture. I don't lick my lips or anything. I'm gonna make sure I have a sharp pencil. This is Cork by MAC, my go-to. I'm actually not doing a lip combo. Am I? No. I'm not doing a lip combo for my new lip combo video. I just found this combo the other day. I actually ordered this off Morphe. My process with lining my lips is I don't like to go too overboard. The only spot that I overline is my Cupid's bow. Just right here, I do like a little M over the top of the lining of my natural lip. So this is the lining of my natural lip right here. I go right above it. You kind of can see where the lip liner was before when I wiped it off because there's like kind of like a milk mustache there before. That's how high I go when I'm lining my lips. Everywhere else I try to follow the natural line of my lip, and I typically only do that so it can kind of have like a little pouting vibe to it or like a pouting effect to it. I'm going to start right here. This is the first part that I do, and I will go here. I'll kind of curve the pencil inwards. So it's kind of like I'm doing like a number 3. So I'll start from here and then go around here and then go around here. Okay. So that's as high as I want to go. I don't want to go any higher than that because my lips are going to look like I got them done and we don't want that. Now what I'll do is, you see this part here where my natural lip is? I'll start to connect this little 3 here to this portion here. Like that. Okay? And I'm going to do that on this side too. Once you're done that, your top lip should look like this. So we overlined the Cupid's bow and then we connected it to our natural line, and the same thing on this side. So now for my bottom lip, what I'll do is I'll draw a little line right here. Okay, and then pull this side of my lip and then that side when I'm going on this side to connect it to the corner of my mouth. So I'll go like this. Okay, just like that. Now for this side, I'll do the same thing. We're finished lining our lips. So now in terms of filling them in, what I'll do is I will take the pencil and I will fill in this portion. And then do the same on the other side. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing on my top lip too. Okay, so it should look like this when you're done kind of filling in the corners. Okay, so now I kind of like to mush my lips together. Okay, so it should look like that. I kind of want to come up here a little bit. So the whole goal is to not get lip liner on the inner parts of your lips, just like the outer corners, because you want the lipstick or the lip gloss or the liquid lipstick to be the main focus when you have them on, and obviously blend them in between with the lip liner. Let's put on our lip gloss now. So I'm going to be putting on Flower Crown by Morphe. I'm going to mix it up a little. Now I like to gradually put on my lip gloss or lipstick. I don't like to just put it all on over and over again. I want it to blend properly. So I'll start in the middle. Okay, and then I will go back again until I can start to see the color of the lipstick or lip gloss. Okay. Now the most important part when I'm applying my lip gloss or lipstick is I will come by my Cupid's bow, and I'm not gonna use a lot because this is like very pigmented. And I will just follow my Cupid's bow. Okay, just like that. And then I'll smush my lips together. Now, if I see that there's like areas where the lip gloss has like overpowered my lip liner, I'll go back in and like go over my lip liner again. So I can see areas right here that it did. Okay, so last but not least, you have to do this step. If you don't do it, it's very cringe to me. You have to do this step. You need to take a concealer or a foundation and clean up the corners of your mouth, please. I'm gonna use my foundation because I have no idea where my concealer is right now. Typically I would use a small brush, but I'm just gonna use my sponge because that's what I used when I had taken off my lipstick before. So I'm just gonna go right in the corners. Now I'm gonna take my powder puff. I'm gonna use a Nye setting powder, and you literally don't need that much. You like need a little bit. Okay, and that's it. So your lips should look like this when you're all done. Very easy. Absolutely love this technique that I've been doing for a little while now. And that is it. That is my go-to technique I use to line my lips. Super easy. I hated my lips before because I thought they were too big, so I don't try to overline my lips too much. I try to keep them the shape that they are. Sometimes if I do make like a really crazy mess, like I'll use a brush because I'll need to get into like precise lines around my lip, but I did okay, so I didn't need it. I just needed the corners. It's literally cringe or a pet peeve to me when I see like women with flawless makeup and then their like corners of their mouth, there's nothing there, or like they didn't blend it properly. It just drives me insane. So I make sure I do that because I don't like it. But I like to make sure that that area of my mouth, there's makeup on it. So yeah, this is how I line my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Crazy easy tutorial. I don't do powder and then line and then I don't do all that nonsense. Just clean off your makeup off of your lips. So like if you have any foundation or concealer on your lips, take it off and then line your lips with the method that I just showed you, and then use your favorite lip gloss or lipstick and clean up the blasted edges. I hate when they're not clean, so clean those up because it just makes your makeup look super flawless and well put together. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with somebody who doesn't know how to line their lips or who's learning to line their lips, because I feel like this tutorial is super easy and beginner friendly. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.